Right, so recently some of you saw that I did a interior mod on the handles of my Mk5 Golf, where a LED lit up the inside of the handle, and I'm just going to talk you through how I did this. Obviously it's not a how-to video today, it's because all mine are done and it's a bit dark outside, so I'm just going to explain to you how I did it. So all you need is a 3mm LED. As it comes pre-wired like this. It won't come looking like this. This is an old LED what I'd used before. Yeah, so I think it's £1.49 for 5 of these, so that's nice and cheap. I do recommend getting some wire the same thickness as well, just so you can extend this wire to your desired length. And you also need a 3mm push clip to help this LED sit flush within the door handle. So once you got them, take your door handle out of the door card. I will post a video, well not a video, a link showing you how to remove this. It won't be by me, obviously it'll be someone else. Yeah, so once your door handle's removed, turn it upside down and start drilling a hole. If you know how thick to do the hole, how big to do the hole, and fire away straight away and do it. But what I did is gradually did the hole so that the push clip sat flush within there. Grab your LED. Obviously it's called a push clip because you'll hear it push in and clip. I don't know if it'll do it with this one. No, it's not doing it. But once the LED's in, you'll know because it'll be sitting flush like that. I might be able to push this in now, just to give you an idea of what it should look like. Just the door handle's going to slowly fall off the table if I don't stop pushing it away. Bear with me a second. I think that'll do just for this video. Obviously, yep, there you go. I'll just have a chair. So, the LED's in there. Once that's all in, what I did is, not what you should do, but what you can do is wire up this wire to your window switch. I will post some pictures now, just showing you how you do this. So yeah, so this is, obviously you might have seen them pictures before. Your window switch may look like this, obviously this way. You want to wire your red wire, I think it is, to pin number 2, and your black wire to pin number 1. And obviously on them pictures you can see how the wire is bent down, so you can clip all your window switch back together and make it look flush. Install all your handles back. Test your wire on your window switch before you, test your LED and your window switch before you put the door card back on. And that's it. Just repeat that if you've got obviously a 5-door like me for all your other doors, or if you've just got a 3-door for your driver's door and your passenger door. And that's it. But yeah, I'll now switch to my car and show you what they look like. Right, so I'm in the car. I also forgot to mention that your LED lights will also light up when you unlock the door. So obviously when you unlock the handles will light up. Obviously I've done it on a 5-door, so I've got all 5 handles lit. So obviously I've got my LEDs wired up to my window switch. So when the window switch is lit, the handles are lit. You can also dim these with the dimmer switch. I'll just show you now. You just put the key in. God, this is hard with one hand. Oh, with my left hand. There we go. So there we go. LED, well, your lights will go off when your headlights are off. When your headlights are on, it'll come on. When your side lights are on, they'll come on. You can dim these via the dimmer switch. Obviously, there we go. back ones, you can notice it a lot more on. Let me just dim it now. Yeah. The video's not doing it justice, but it does dim a lot. That's basically it. Just wire these up to your window switches. I did post obviously some pictures just before I switched to the car, showing you how you do that. So yeah, if you get any problems, if you have any problems, let me know. I'll happily help you. Let me know on Facebook, obviously. I'll link my Facebook down below. Just drop me a message on there and I'll help you through it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Obviously, like I said, I'm gonna do more videos. Like this video, and any problems, comment below. Cheers.